Hello, welcome back. Good morning to everybody. And today, quickly, I'll be doing a demo to show you how you can send a message to your Teams channel using the new describe feature on Power Automate. And quickly, we'll be heading to that now. So once you get to your Power Automate, you click on the describe feature. Now, this is more or less like a Copilot where you just add in your description. So I already have one here that send a message to Teams when a form is submitted. So now we'll just search that quickly, and we have here, we look at it, that the trigger is to when a form is being submitted, and the action is sending a message to a Teams channel. So we hit next, and it connects to the various channels. If this is the first time you are using this feature, you would have to allow it connect to your Teams and your forms. Then you go next. Then now what you do is you select the form you created. I already created one here called the red list. So quickly I would search that red list. So I have it here. Now it asks me for what themes, my themes, that's gifted word, then which channel possibly you want to allocate this to a particular channel, and those who are in the channel. Then you could just post a message, something like a new response just arrived. So what we'll do is you click on create flow, and that's it. So now the flow is being created and it's ready for test. So yeah, our flow is ready. So you just click on save. From here, okay, then you click on test, then you say manual, then you say okay. Now we come to our form here, we click on preview, then start, and my name is Gifts Ahmed, then my email address is Gifts Ahmed at outlook.com, then gender, then phone number is optional. Okay, you just have that, then submit. Once you do this, now you come back to your flow. It says run successful. How do we check that? We'll go to our teams. Here's my team, and possibly I go to work hard, and here you have it. A new response is just been submitted. A new response just arrived. Now, okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.